Here's the app called Aimora AI Girlfriend Simulator. So it's one of additional AI girlfriend apps with advanced AI that evolves conversations, sending photos, videos, and voice messages. Discover an AI girlfriend who makes you feel happy. Aimora can be your best friend, passionate lover, or current gaming buddy. So supportive dialogue, spicy chats, or topics like games and cars. So, one of those AI girlfriend apps. And then you can just go and install it. And here is the app. And then you can just enter your name. And then you can see that yearly is just $30, so quite a cheap app. And then there is like a free version where you can just go and talk. And then you can just start chatting. You can allow notifications. You can see some instructions. You can send gifts. You can send just different chats. There is also like AI video call, and then there are settings. With Pro subscriptions, there are no text and audio limit. You can receive photos and videos from girls, enjoy enhanced AI engine, live video calls. So this is what you have. There is some kind of glitch, so the bot is not replying. So seems it's a bit buggy though, as you can see, but maybe, yeah. So there you have it. You can reset chats. You can, and then just see it in here and delete the account if you want. But yeah, there you have it.